Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Planning a birthday party at home doesn't have to be expensive or stressful. With a few balloons, simple decorations, and a little creativity, you can transform any room into a beautiful celebration space. In today's video, I'll share easy and affordable birthday decoration ideas that look elegant, photograph beautifully, and are perfect for kids, adults, family parties, or surprise celebrations. Let's get started and create a stunning birthday setup. Balloon Idea 1. Choose a color theme. Every beautiful birthday decoration starts with a color palette. Instead of using too many colors, choose 2 or 3 that work well together. Popular combinations for 2026 include blush pink and gold, sage green and white, navy blue and silver, lavender and cream, or classic black and gold. Keeping a consistent color theme makes your decorations look more organized and professional. Balloon Idea 2. Create a balloon backdrop. 120 to 210. A balloon backdrop is the centerpiece of almost every modern birthday party. Mix balloons in different sizes to create depth and texture. Add metallic balloons, transparent balloons with confetti, or chrome balloons for a luxury look. You can also include artificial flowers, greenery, fairy lights, or a personalized birthday sign to make the backdrop stand out. This becomes the perfect spot for photos and family memories. Birthday Cake Idea 3. Decorate the cake table. The cake table deserves special attention because it's often the focal point of the celebration. Cover the table with a clean tablecloth that matches your color theme. Place the birthday cake in the center and decorate around it with candles, flowers, small gifts, and matching balloons. Keeping the table simple and balanced creates an elegant display that looks amazing in photos. Sparkles Idea 4. Add lights for a magical atmosphere. Lighting can completely change the mood of your party. Wrap warm white fairy lights around the balloon backdrop or place LED candles on the table for a cozy glow. Neon birthday signs are also a popular trend in 2026 and instantly make the setup feel modern and stylish. Soft lighting makes your decorations look even more beautiful, especially in the evening. Gift Idea 5. Personalize the space. Adding personal touches makes the celebration more meaningful. Use a customized banner with the birthday person's name, display favorite photos, or create a small memory wall with pictures from different years. You can also include themed decorations based on hobbies, favorite colors, or interests. These details make guests feel connected and create lasting memories. Before you start decorating, remember these simple tips. Stick to one color theme. Mix balloon sizes for a professional look. Keep the space neat and uncluttered. Use warm lighting for a cozy atmosphere. Add fresh flowers or greenery for elegance. Create a dedicated photo corner for guests. The best birthday decorations aren't always the most expensive, they're the ones created with creativity, care, and love. I hope these ideas inspire you to decorate your own home for your next celebration. Which decoration idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more home decoration ideas, DIY party inspiration, and creative decorating tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Balloon happy decorating, and happy birthday to your loved ones. Birthday Cake Sparkles.